2022 Mercedes-Benz A-Class. This sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. It checks off in-demand features which offer more convenience, such as side view mirrors with turn signals, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, panoramic roof, moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, rain sensing wipers, Bluetooth. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.